There is a precise rhythm to your engine. Perfect dance between the pistons moving up and down and the valves opening and closing. When that rhythm is broken, even by a fraction of a second, your engine becomes a chaotic mess, and that is exactly what code P0019 represents. This code stands for Crankshaft Position, Camshaft Position, Correlation, Bank 2, Sensor B. In plain English, the computer is detecting that the bottom of the engine, the crankshaft, and the top of the engine, the camshaft, are not spinning in perfect sync on Bank 2. Bank 2 is the side of the engine that does not contain cylinder number 1, and Sensor B usually refers to the exhaust side. This is a serious code because it involves the mechanical timing of your engine. You might hear a rattle on startup, feel a rough idle, or the car might not start at all. The causes range from simple to severe. On the simple side, it could be a dirty variable valve timing solenoid. These solenoids use oil pressure to advance or retard timing. If you have skipped oil changes, sludge can jam this valve, causing the cam to get stuck in the wrong position. So check your oil level and condition first. Sometimes a fresh oil change clears this right up. If the oil is clean, the next suspect is the camshaft position sensor itself. If the sensor is glitching, it might be lying to the computer about where the cam is. You can test this by swapping the sensor with the one from Bank 1. If the code moves to Bank 1, you have a bad sensor. However, we have to talk about the scary scenario. If the sensors and oil are fine, you might be dealing with a stretched timing chain or a worn-out tensioner. Over time, the metal chain stretches just enough that the timing marks do not line up anymore. If you hear a slapping or rattling noise from the front of the engine, that is a dead giveaway that the tensioner has failed or the chain is loose. This is a complex repair that requires opening up the engine. Do not ignore this code, because if the timing jumps too far, the pistons can hit the valves, destroying your engine completely. Start with the basics. Check the oil, test the sensor, and listen for that rattle.